3,
2, 1.
Thanks, everyone.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice to see you.
Yeah, you too. Thanks for being with us.
Oh, no worries. Happy to be here.
But typically when you have these
I need to find another one. That
like if you look at
why I dropped.
like this is under the dots on there.
Yep.
Oh, I know the channel too. Like I've looked through all the sites. It's just it's not what it was when I was constructing it. So it's still viable, but you have to be really close. You press it over here, you're basically right around either side of the river. You're very close.
Reminder also that we do offer 2 Fish for Free days in Pennsylvania. The first one will be this Sunday, the 28th of May. That'll be Fish for Free Day, during which no license will be required. So if you have someone who'd like to The Fish and Boat Commission, we manage roughly 300 boat access sites across the Commonwealth. The Winfield Access is part of PennDOT's Central Susquehanna Valley Thruway project, and it was developed to offset environmental and recreational impacts to the river.
Even during early days of CSVT's development in the 1990s, before the river was officially designated as a state water trail by the Commission and as a national recreational trail by the National Park Service, we recognize the importance of the river to recreation within the region.
Welcome to Union County, and this is a great addition to the boaters and anglers in this area. I've used this boat launch already. It's terrific, and it's a great asset to the region. So.
I want to thank everybody who boats here, lives here, for your patience, for your input, and for your willingness to, work with us through this project. We're not done with all these projects, but I think this is a good example of what's yet to come.
Over the last 5 years, we have seen a huge inflow of paddlers coming onto the water trail. It's principally coming out of the pandemic as people are searching for new and exciting opportunities to engage with friends and family. So the addition of this water trail access is one that is very well needed.
But the number one thing you can do is wear your life jacket. Law requires that you have a life jacket on board for every person in your boat. And you have to make sure that they're Coast Guard, U.S. Coast Guard are approved, they're in good condition, and that they fit.
First and foremost, please never boat under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Simply put, impaired boating increases the chance of an accident. Just like operating a motor vehicle on the roadway, a person operating a boat, the legal limit is above the legal limit if they have a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08 or higher. That is the same as our DUI statutes here in Pennsylvania.
Plans can change when you're out on the water, having fun, but keeping somewhere aware of your location throughout the day can help ensure that help arrives quickly if you experience a mechanical or a medical emergency while you're on the water.
And you're looking at days like today, nice weather, sunny, blue skies. Don't be fooled by that. Weather conditions can change in a second.